In response to the pandemic and these long periods of remote learning, I've said a number of times that the most important and effective initiative this year in our schools was the Tutor Learning Initiative. This year we've had more than 6,400 tutors employed in government and low-fee non-government schools right across Victoria. Retired teachers, teachers on leave, young pre-service teachers, experienced teachers moving into the tutor program such as Sue that we'll be hearing from in a moment. And all of them answered the call. Our existing workforce, plus the thousands of retired people, people on leave coming back into our schools to help our kids, making sure every single student receive the extra support that they need. And it's paying profound dividends. We released the NAPLAN data earlier in the year, and Victoria is leading the nation in NAPLAN results. Extraordinary, given the circumstances of the last 20 months or so. There was an evaluation conducted, independent evaluation by Deloitte, and it showed that the Tutor Learning Initiative improved attendance, achievement and engagement. It has worked. And given the impact, the continued impact of the pandemic through 2021, we need that support next year. And that's why I'm delighted to announce that a further $230 million will be delivered to continue the tutor program for the whole of 2022. Each individual school will receive the same allocation as they received this year, except for our very, very small schools. Their allocation will actually go up from $15,000 to $25,000 as a minimum allocation, enabling our very small schools to provide more hours, more staff to deliver the tutor program. So that's the tutor announcement. Finally, from me, October is Mental Health Awareness Month, and it's an opportunity for all of us to check in on ourselves, on our families and our friends, and ensure that people are accessing support if they need it. And there is support available. We've invested more than $247 million in directly related COVID mental health initiatives, including more than 28,000 for school-based initiatives to support kids' mental health. The first 8 pop-up mental health services are now open around the state. Now, this is an announcement I made 2.5 weeks ago. 8 of these pop-up services are already open, and a further 12 will come in over the next few weeks. So I encourage anyone who needs that support to make an appointment to see a mental health practitioner for free. Term 4 also marks the completion of our rollout of the Mental Health Practitioners in School program. So every single government secondary school and every single specialist school now has support for a dedicated mental health practitioner, delivering tailored support to students who need it most. This is a year ahead of schedule, and all of those mental health practitioners will work with the existing wellbeing teams in each of our schools to provide what can be a lifeline for our students. So I again thank all of our mental health staff, whether they're working in schools or in the broader community, for the incredible work that you are doing. And I'll have more to say about what more we will be doing in regards to mental health in schools over the coming weeks and months. So that's enough from me. I'm now going to hand over to Sue Anderson, who is a very experienced teacher and has been running the tutor program at Langwarrin Park Primary School this year. And I thought it'd be great for you to hear directly about what impact the tutor program is having on the ground with our kids.